Welcome to this meditation practice where we will focus on clearing the mind and creating space for peace and clarity. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down, where your body can fully relax and your mind can be at ease. Close your eyes gently and take a deep, slow breath in. Feel the air fill your lungs, expanding your chest and belly, and then slowly exhale, releasing any tension or stress you may be holding on to. As you continue to breathe deeply, allow your attention to settle on your breath. Notice the sensation of the air as it enters and leaves your body. Feel the coolness of the inhale and the warmth of the exhale. With each breath, you're grounding yourself in this present moment, letting go of any distractions or worries. Imagine a gentle breeze sweeping through your mind, clearing away any cluttered thoughts, like leaves being carried away by the wind. See those thoughts drifting off into the distance, leaving your mind clear and open, like a vast, calm sky. With each breath, this space within you expands, inviting in a sense of calm and serenity. Notice any thoughts that may arise, and without judgment, simply acknowledge them. Imagine placing these thoughts on a cloud, watching as they float away, leaving your mind clear once again. There is no need to chase after them or hold on to them. Just let them pass by, knowing that you can return to this space of clarity whenever you need. As you continue to focus on your breath, allow your awareness to deepen. Imagine yourself standing on the shore of a peaceful lake. The surface of the water is still and calm, reflecting the clear sky above. This lake represents your mind. When it is still, it reflects clarity and peace. Any ripples or disturbances on the surface begin to fade away as you focus on your breath, returning the water to its natural, calm state. In this moment of stillness, bring your attention to the present. There is nothing you need to do, nothing you need to solve. Simply be here, in this space of clarity and peace. If any thoughts arise, acknowledge them, and then gently return your focus to your breath, allowing each exhale to clear your mind further. Feel the lightness in your mind, the ease that comes with letting go. Know that in this state of clarity, you are open to new insights, ideas, and inspiration. Trust that your mind will naturally find solutions and creative thoughts when you're calm and centered. There is no need to force anything. Simply allow your mind to be still and clarity will come. As we begin to bring this meditation to a close, take a few more deep breaths, feeling the calmness and clarity within you. Know that this state of mind is always accessible to you. Whenever you feel overwhelmed or cluttered, you can return to this practice and clear your mind once more. Gently bring your awareness back to your body, wiggling your fingers and toes. And when you're ready, open your eyes. Take a moment to notice how you feel, calm, clear, and centered. Carry this sense of peace with you as you go about your day, knowing that your mind is clear and open to whatever comes your way. Thank you for joining me in this meditation. May your mind remain clear, your heart at peace, and your spirit bright.